Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix auto empty not working on DREAME D20 Plus. First of all, check if everything is fitted well. First, let's check if our dustbin is well fitted by opening the top lid on your robot, then removing the dustbin by pressing on this little button and pulling it out. Now make sure it's not clogged with anything, so that this hole is accessible. Then the other one here should also be, sorry, not this one, I'm not sure this one. I think this one, check both just in case, because it's not really, it's weird. There's two holes and it doesn't make sense, but yeah, let's check both of them. Check if this one with that doesn't have any debris here. Then remove the filter and see if you can also press on these door, if you can open these door right here. Then let's put the filter back in and put the dustbin in. Make sure it clicks and it sits well. Then the next thing is to check the dust bag installation. Open the lid on top of the robot and remove the dust bag. Also make sure that your dust bag isn't full, because if it is, then there's a very high chance it won't work and it won't collect dust. So mine's fully empty, mine hasn't been used, so I can just put it in by sliding it in just like that. Just make sure that the fabric doesn't get stuck while you're putting it in, so I recommend holding it like that for easier installation. Now it's in. I can now put it in, close the lid, and the next thing to check is to remove your robot from the station and see if those two canals here, this and this one, aren't, just try looking in them as much as you can. Maybe use a flashlight on your phone to see in there if there's anything stuck inside. Try removing it. You may want to flip the station over and tap gently on the bottom of the station a few times to see if it helps. Now, if it didn't, try manually triggering the empty. And to do it, you can go to the Dreame Home app, and then once your robot is in the dock station, you'll find the dock button and you can click on auto empty. Now you'll hear it in a moment. So this is basically what it should sound like. If it didn't work, you may want to try doing it a few times. Maybe that will clear the debris. Now, the last thing that you may want to do, if it did work, because if it didn't, then there's not really much else that you can do in that matter. But if it did work manually triggered, but it doesn't trigger itself automatically, then you may want to adjust the settings. Click on three dots in the top right corner, select dock settings, and make sure that auto empty is set to your desired settings. So standard when you want to do it after each cleaning task, high frequency when you want to do it mid task, and low frequency when you want to do it after every 3 tasks. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.